When looking for a room that fit my needs, this Deluxe Junior King Suite fit the bill. Let's go inside. So I want to show you around my room because to me this was a great deal. Like I looked on a Sunday night, like for tonight, if I was to book this room, it's $160 US, 162. And this is an all-inclusive resort, so that covers your food, your drinks, gratuities, shows, it's all included. So, great deal. But I'm going to show you over here. Of course, you got the king bed, which is, the other option is the other rooms have, I think it's a double bed. But in this room, of course, you have a king bed. It is a little on the firm side. Tell me in the comments down below, do you prefer a firm bed or more of a soft bed? That's something I'm curious about. I don't know which one offers better sleep, but this one's a little more on the firm side, so I'm going to give you a heads up on that. And then over here we do have a couch, a table and chairs. Over here we have a little coffee maker, desk, what I believe to be like a 42-inch TV there. One thing, it's currently about 5 o'clock in the morning. There is an outdoor balcony. There's a couple different options for those. They got the ocean facing ones. This is a tropical facing room, so out there you see the jungle with the mosquitoes. So definitely bring bug spray when you're visiting here because there is a lot of mosquitoes. I got several bug bites, so that's a tip. But it is nice to have a balcony so you can sit outside and enjoy the outdoors, of course. So over here, I'll show you the bathroom, which is really cool as well. So here in the bathroom area, of course, you have a toilet over here, shower over there, separate, which is nice. And then a sink in the middle. It's a walk-in shower, so the shower is really nice as well. The water pressure is fantastic in here. Of course, you got conditioner, shampoo, all of that. And then a rainfall shower head up above that has plenty of water pressure. This Deluxe Junior King Suite has everything you're going to need for your stay. Large closet, safe in the room, that's always important for me. And of course you got a telephone in here, but the Wi-Fi works really good. So everything you need for a nice stay here in Mexico. So that's my nice little room tour here. If you have any questions, definitely drop them in the comments as well. I love to answer those for you. And if you enjoy room tours, resort tours, hit that subscribe button down below because I'll have a lot more where that came from. So in a small world, travel's large.